everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't actually done a video like this for a really long time, but I'm actually going to do a like PR slash gifted beauty haul side of things because I have so many products to show you guys, and honestly this is just a dream come true, and I wanted to share it with you guys who have been on my channel for so long because I feel like I've actually made it, like, you know. But anyway, let's get started. For those who are new to my channel and aren't sure what a PR or a gifted haul is, these are products that brands have sent me, and honestly I'm just so grateful to be able to do this as a like job on the side. Honestly, it's absolutely incredible. One day hopefully it'll be a full-time job, but I just wanted to share with you guys some of the products that I've received over the last few months, like to obviously create content with. And yeah, picking these out at random, the first one is the Garnier Body Superfood. It's the 48-hour nourishing cream. I have the avocado one. Honestly, it smells insane. And it's such a big pot. It reminds me of the hair food, and they brought out body food, and apparently like body skincare is going to be massive this year. So obviously in lockdown and that, we focused on our facial skincare, and apparently body skincare is next. And obviously your skin on your body is just as important as looking after your skin on your face. So yeah, I'll be using this one quite a lot because honestly it is so hydrating and keeps my skin looking lovely and soft and glowy. This one is a recent one. This is from First Aid Beauty. If you haven't heard of them, they're actually an American brand. This is their Ultra Repair Cream for dry and parched skin. Trust me, my elbows and knees were screaming for this. It is so good, and even my legs actually get really dry. Me and my mum suffer with dry legs. It's honestly amazing, and it smells so good as well. And they also sent me their ingrown hair patches. If you know me personally, you know I've suffered with ingrown hairs for a long time. These are a godsend after you shave. Like honestly, you get, how many pads do you get? 28 pads, but they are so worth it. I use them obviously after I've shaved, and it's saving my skin so far, so no complaints from me. So Amika sent me their dry shampoo. This smells insane. Can we just appreciate the packaging though? I'm obsessed, and honestly I never used to be a dry shampoo fan, but I might slightly be one now after using this. Yeah, I try and only wash my hair once a week, I can't lie, so this is a little godsend. I will be personally repurchasing this myself when I run out. Caudalie sent me their beauty elixir. This smells absolutely beautiful and is so refreshing on the face. You can use this on top of your makeup as well. It retails for £10 on the TikTok shop, so I don't know if that's cheaper, but honestly it smells so beautiful, fresh, and my skin just feels slightly refreshed already from honestly just spritzing that on. So yours, well, they're called Love From Yours, but Love From Yours sent me one of their cloud facial foaming cleansers and their spray sun cream. Now I lived using this in summer. I'm actually halfway through it now, and I love this foamy cleanser. I've been using this really often. I do switch up with cleansers obviously because I don't want my skin to get bored and like used to a product. So yeah, I've been using these two. I absolutely love this before I do my makeup because SPF is so important every time of year, like all year round. That's what I was meant to say, but yeah, it's really important to use SPF all year round. This one was a huge one for me to work with them again, but Nip and Fab sent me their hyaluronic fix range, and here are some of the pieces. Oh my god, this is the cleansing cream. It is absolutely stunning. I love this cream so much. My skin gets super dry this time of year, so I'll be reaching for this one a lot more. Also got their hyaluronic hydrating serum. If you know me, you know I love my hyaluronic acid. I haven't tried this as much as I need to. I need to try this a little bit more often now it's winter. My skin is going to start trying to dry out, and we're not going to let that happen. Love Me is kind of a new sort of skincare brand. They're not hugely known. I wouldn't say they're a small business, but they sent me their Screen Time CBD moisturizer and their No Filter Retinol and CBD moisturizer. This one has SPF in, the first one, and the second one is your normal everyday moisturizer, but these two together left me such a beautiful glow on my skin throughout summer. I absolutely love the packaging as well. It's absolutely adorable. Also, around a couple of weeks later, they sent me their face mask and their hair mask. I adore both of these. The packaging just gets me every time, but I absolutely love the fact that they're CBD infused as well, because I just find CBD personally works on my skin. Their hair mask is so hydrating and so lightweight as well, and I mean, look how much my hair's growing over the last few months. It's really getting back to its health again, which I'm so pleased about. The topic of hair masks, this is a dream come true, and especially for the price, like I couldn't justify it myself. But Color Wow sent me their money mask. Oh my god, if you haven't seen my review on TikTok, you need to check it out because it is insane. It genuinely felt like I'd given myself like a professional salon blow dry. it makes your hair feel expensive. It's crazy like how well this works. It also sent me the Dream Coat Spray, which you spray on your hair when it's around 80% dry. You literally drench it, and when you blow dry, it protects your hair from humidity. And honestly, this actually does work. My hair stayed sleek and like slick for absolutely days, like a good week, until I washed it again. It stayed so smooth and it just looks so shiny and glossy. I mean, black hair's glossy anyway, but this definitely did something. Also, Dermalogica, another dream come true of mine, they sent me their Daily Milk Exfoliant. It's a powder exfoliator. So you pop a bit in your hands, and obviously when your face is wet, you rub it in. It's honestly incredible. It really does exfoliate my skin and keep my skin super soft. I absolutely adore their products. They are honestly hands down worth the money. Another dream of mine, because I've been using their tan for years, is the Bondi Sands Little Face Duo. This is the Sunny Days SPF 30 moisturizer. It does actually have a little tint in it as well to give your skin a little glow. And their I Spy Eye Cream. For one, the packaging I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's gorgeous, and I lived wearing this over summer. If you've seen my TikToks, you saw me using this basically every day. It is honestly gorgeous and so lightweight, and it does give you the tiniest bit of coverage. Maybe that's just me. And the eye cream honestly does make my under eye glow and definitely gets rid of my puffiness. Also got gifted by The Ordinary. They've sent me so much. Thank you, The Ordinary. It's honestly a dream to work with you guys. Their hair care, so their lightweight formula conditioner and their gentle cleansing formula shampoo. These are pretty simple shampoo and conditioners, but they're really, really effective on your hair, and they're brilliant. I'm guessing if you have a sensitive scalp as well, I feel like these would work perfectly because they don't have too many chemicals in them, and they are genuinely really gentle and really subtle shampoo and conditioners. They also sent me a lightweight hydrating serum for my scalp, which I've never heard of anything like this, but it definitely worked. My hair is definitely getting more like hydrated and more glossy throughout the days. If you saw how dry and damaged my hair was at the beginning of the year, you would understand. And honestly, it's definitely a lot softer now and a lot healthier. It's actually crazy. This one came last week. This is the Pharmacy Night Mask. Honestly, my skin is glowing in the morning now. It is so hydrating, and my skin feels like it has a new layer on it overnight. It's absolutely crazy. I can't say I've actually ever really been disappointed with PR. It's actually mad. Like, all these products that I've used are actually incredible. So Fresh Beauty gifted me their Tea Tree Elixir. How do you pronounce that? Am I like just dumb or something? But this is a skin resilience activating serum. I use this morning and night when I take my makeup off at night and before I pop it on in the morning, and honestly it makes my skin feel so fresh, so dewy again, which is what I need, and it's just ready to start the day, and obviously ready when I go to bed to wake up. It just it honestly makes my skin just feel absolutely incredible. This was actually a random one that came up on Facebook that I applied for, but obviously being a content creator really helps. Kiko's little campaign they did, they sent me 2 of their like liquid lipsticks with the glossy bit, but these are like long lasting, and also one of their jelly stylos, and they are so beautiful on the lips. I have done a couple of videos on these. I love this lipstick for every day. It's just a nudie colour, but I've loved Kiko for years, so this honestly made my day. A crazy sort of reality hit for me was watching Soph Does Nails years ago and watching her PR hauls, and then seeing her work with Lano Lips. I was like, oh my god, what a dream of mine. And here we are, I'm now working with Lano Lips. They sent me 2 of their tinted lip balms. They are absolutely beautiful and they smell incredible. I also got their little lemonade range, which comes with a lip scrub and a lip balm. I've been using them daily at work to save my lips in this weather because they're already starting to crack. Another brand that I've loved for years since I got into makeup is Unicorn Cosmetics, and since opening a TikTok shop on my own page, you can request samples and they accepted my samples to try. They gifted me so much. I was actually over the moon, my whole heart, when I got these. I got their Unicorn Cosmetics brushes. Oh my god, look at the packaging for one. It is gorgeous. That isn't even it. Look at the brushes. I only got these a few days ago, but I have opened one to show you guys. Look at them, they're so pretty. They are available in my shop and they're so affordable as well. They're so soft. How beautiful are they for like a Christmas gift, like the younger like generation, or even your friends and that? They come in such a beautiful pot that you can actually keep. What's better, it comes with a matching mirror that you can also purchase. It's beautiful, it's so big as well, but I absolutely love the packaging. It's honestly made my day. So I always adored this brand since I was 12 years old, and I'm now 25, and I stared at their new products in Superdrug all the time. I used to purchase them, and now I'm finally working with them. It's Barry M. Honestly, my childhood, my teenagehood, Pardon they sent me their 40th birthday palette and it is so stunning. I use this quite a lot actually. Look, you've got every single shade you really need. Like, you can make so many looks with this. It's beautiful. And they also sent me their limited edition birthday That's Swell lip gloss. It's actually glittery as well. It's got like little birthday sprinkles on it. I love it. I'm honestly, this warms my heart to know I'm working with them. Like, it doesn't feel real still. On the bright side, I'm never gonna run out of lashes again. With the TikTok shop, obviously you can request samples. These ones came last week. These are some lashes from there. They're very, very fluffy. If you know me, I love my big lashes. And I also got some Russian strip lashes. These were 20 pairs for £8. Comes with a glue liner, a normal glue, a spoolie, and a lash applicator. How good is that for £8? Like, honestly insane, but I love the lashes anyway. They're actually really good quality. I've been wearing them for work on a daily basis. That's what I was looking for. Unicorn Cosmetics Angel palette. Oh my god, the packaging. Even Mel was like, oh wow, that's so pretty. She was like, no way is that makeup. This is the palette. How beautiful is this? I can't wait to use this. I actually cannot wait. I think I'm going to do some looks this week because I just can't stay away from those glitters. Next palette of theirs is also one they gifted to me. It's giving me Bratz vibes, but it's so gorgeous and cute. How cute are these for stocking fillers actually? But I love the colours and the little like patterns in the palette as well. I honestly love their brand. It's so unique and their packaging just never disappoints. If you've watched my channel for a while, my hair's in my face, don't mind me. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know I love a good fake tan, and I've been wearing Sunkissed, like buying it personally myself for ages, and they reached out to me and they've sent me a couple of their sun creams, fake tans to try, and their serums, and they're also their tanning facial mist. Absolutely obsessed. It's such an affordable brand as well. This isn't me promoting them now, like I've done my brand deal with them, but I honestly genuinely love this tan. I'm still using it to this day when I do actually tan. So back in the day when I didn't have a lot of money and wasn't working due to my mental health, I always dreamed of this brand, watching some of my favorite YouTubers work with them. And again, here I am. This just doesn't seem real. These are Liz Earle products. You've got the Instant Boost Skin Tonic and the Cleansing Glow Transforming Gel Cleanser. Get to oil to milk. Honestly, so beautiful. Like Liz Earle, out of all brands, they are such an incredible brand to work with. Another little treat from Fresh Beauty is their little set of face masks. Oh my god. So you get like these mini face masks. I love the little bag as well, and they're all different ones to try. You've got the rose face mask. You've got, oh my gosh, the Vitamin Nectar Boosting Face Mask. But how perfect are these little minis to try them out before you buy like the proper size. And also you've got 6 in there as well, which is so cute. They're travel friendly if you want a little pamper when you're away. So if you're a fan of beauty, you'll know this brand's just been released in Superdrug, but I am working with them. This is Few. I love the little bag. It's so cute. I love little travel bags when you get them in your like gifts. If you're like an influencer or content creator, then you'll know little makeup bags are the best. The first thing they sent me was a Calm Balm Soothing CBD stick. I use this for my period pains. Honestly, game changer. So gorgeous. And their skincare is actually based around the time of your period, and there's certain products for like certain stages of that time of month. It's honestly incredible. I'm definitely going to try more of these. I did 1 month my period and haven't tried recently, but absolutely love their products, and now the fact you can buy them in Superdrug is pretty amazing. More bits from Unicorn Cosmetics. I've got their pressed powder highlighter in Glow Go. I can never like, that's a proper tongue twister. I actually have this on today. Let me try and open it. I can never remember where to open it from. It is beautiful. Such a stunning powder highlighter. I have actually been using this quite a bit this week. And I also got their Bare Brows. Jesus, this is so strong. Like, my brows stuck within 2 seconds. Like, I'm not joking. I'm obsessed with this. I was shook. I was not expecting them to stick so quickly. I struggle with soap brows now. That's literally helped me so much. I think these have been released so I can share them, but MUA Cosmetics sent me these. This is the Illusionist eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this. The pigment is gorgeous. Their quality has gone up in the world since like 2014, 2015. And also their new sheer lip stylos and their new lip glosses. They sent me like all the different formulas in like 3 different shades as well. Absolutely incredible. I've been using this brand since forever, so to work with them is just incredible. I can remember looking at this palette in Superdrug and being gifted it is just a dream still. I actually can't get over all this. Like, it's still so unreal. And they also sent me, these are Barry M ones. They're like, I can't explain, like cream eyeshadows. They're actually really good and they do actually blend really, really well. I created a lovely look on these on my Instagram a couple of weeks ago, and do you know what? I was really impressed because I've never tried cream eyeshadow before. This was like 2 days ago. I received the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid, and I can never pronounce this. I'm going to go with the actual details. The High Strength Vitamin and Mineral Blemish Formula. These are gorgeous. I love hyaluronic acid so much. They also sent me one of their natural moisturizing factors, which I actually use on a daily basis anyway, so to have a top up, it's absolutely great. And they also sent me their Squalane cleanser. It's a cleanser and a makeup remover, so I need to try this ASAP because I'm running out of my balm to take my makeup off, so I want to give this a go. Okay, this one's one of the biggest brands I work with, but Charlotte Tilbury. I've worked with them for about a year now. They recently sent me one of their cream eyeshadows. It is in the shade Champagne. It is a beautiful cream eyeshadow for a cut crease. Oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I do use it quite a lot. Is my cat okay? Like, can you not hear him? And I actually bought this myself, and then The Ordinary sent me one. It's their multi-peptide lash and brow serum. I tell you now, my brows got thicker. Look back on my videos and then look at my brows now. Like, it's absolutely crazy. The fact I have no product in my brows today is just insane. So that was a majority of my products I could fit in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this PR haul, and give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely gonna do some more often, so I don't have to make such a crazy amount of videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.